Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 3 of these pieces of chunky wood from Dollar Tree. 2 of them, they started out at 10 inches. I cut them down 5.5 inches on both of those. So you'll have 2 5.5 inch pieces and 2 4.5 inch pieces. I used my miter box and saw to cut them, sanded down those cut edges. I then took some masking tape and taped off a top section. And on the bottom sections, the larger sections I painted with plaster colored chalk paint by Waverly, giving them full coverage. Once those were dry, I removed that tape and then retaped the part that I had painted. And I painted the top section with black chalk paint, and that's also by Waverly. Next, I'm painting this flat bamboo stick I got from Amazon, just painting that with black chalk paint. You could also use the coffee stir sticks. Those would work as well. Next, I'm taking these 3/4 inch wooden letters I also got from Amazon and covered those with the black chalk paint as well. And also this 8-inch piece of chunky wood from Dollar Tree. Next, I am penciling on faces for my snowmen, doing some small ovals for the eyes, a carrot-shaped nose, and then a squiggly line for the mouth. I then go back over those with my Posca paint pens, using the black color for the eyes and the mouth. For the nose, I partially erase the pencil markings and paint that with the orange Posca paint pen. Next, I'm taking the back part of the paintbrush, the handle part, dipping that in the plaster chalk paint, and then dotting those on the eyes. And then I'm taking a really fine tip paintbrush, which is actually a acrylic nail brush, and making little lines in the eyes as well. Then also use the same type of paintbrush and make little black eyebrows on each. Next, I'm lightly dabbing on some vintage Victorian pink paint, and that's by Folk Art, and just making some rosy cheeks. And then take that bamboo craft stick and cut it so it's a little bit wider on either side of the chunky wood snowman. And I cut down 4 pieces from that, sand off the cut edges, and touch up the ends that I cut with the black chalk paint. I then hot glue them a little bit at an angle on each of the snowman where those 2 colored paints meet. Next, I'm taking some tacky glue and brushing that on each of the letters on the back sides of those, and placing one on each of the snowman towards the bottom. After I have them all placed down, I just use my heating tool to make sure that tacky glue was dry. I then take Snow Tex, which I got from Amazon, but most craft stores have it, and I'm dabbing that on the top of each of the hats, as well as the rim of the hats, the top of those little craft sticks. Next, I place each of them down on that 8-inch piece of chunky wood I painted black. Once I have them set how I want them, I hot glue them into place, hot gluing those end pieces first and then the center ones. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.